During our time, she had figured out the basic retrieve. She spun on cue. She was stick trained. And she waved on cue. Hi. This is day 3 of cage training, where she already enters the cage on request. Now I practice closing the door. After a few days of this, I practice lifting the cage off its hooks. And then returning it. After which she was taken from the enclosure. We progressed from this and this to this. Do you love to fly? This is where she lives now. See if you can find her. There she is. It's an even larger enclosure. I hope she's happy here.